West Karbinglong ila pen Langkeroy rat Meghalaya pan electoral photo identity card kachewai Japan lapthe kacheparai. Khanduli long hamren thanao siapan khasi pinar tum ketengkheng. Suri-suri adat kelang kachitong bong Karbinglong long ta Republic Day Katalon. Kardom aprang sikado kawi pantame atap ke megardom pajerda. Morning news long peneli thari chisong teron nom birtang ton pen arjik tham. Socheng amreng Border Development Ad Hoc Committee Lapen Langkeroy arong araretum angbong chingki jethan edapi nonangke liji thang achiklo isi lapen ingkoi arni electoral photo identity card IPIC Meghalaya phan chevoipo Birta kelong duna tengke Meghalaya pen Karbinglong ahoy Langkeroy along BOP mate border outpost ki kim jiadim kelang damhotsi hamren thana o si Kamal Chandra Bora lasolam phodang Langkeroy ki Khanduli pen chehoin loklo laso adi malong BOP ihem ki kim Japan Assam Gov pen sai chepari deng theklong pen khasi pinaratum OC bora phan tengkheng si ki kham kya sai chepaklang aring ki paso khasi pinar atuma phan arona tengkang sai Japan hamren hemkang samalong lamati case pipon tanglo case number lucky 279 427 143 144 353 336 325 307 Henlo Meghalaya lapen Assam Karbinglong ahoy Khanduli along hamren thana o siapan khasi pinar atum ketengkheng pusi niritum apherangke hamren rong supi pen kat news along birta nang pale birta kelong duna tengke Meghalaya pen Karbinglong ahoy Langkeroy along BOP mate border outpost ki kim jiadim kelang damhotsi hamren thana o si Kamal Chandra Bora lasolam phodang Langkeroy ki Khanduli pen chehoin loklo laso adi malong BOP ihem ki kim Japan Assam Gov pen sai chepari deng theklong pen khasi pinaratum OC bora phan tengkheng si ki kham kya sai chepaklang aring ki paso khasi pinar atuma phan arona tengkang sai Japan hamren hemkang samalong lamati case pipon tanglo Case number lucky 279 427 143 144 353 336 325 307 Henlo Karbinglong longta suri-suri arat kelang kachitong bong Republic Day Talondun Dipu Boys Higher Secondary School Patwa Klamalong Kepado Republic Day Apartment Karbinglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rong Hangsi Det Pialama Pangjarpon Alang Lilam Jai ke Aprang Det Apartment Prantachipi Karditang Abang Pubang Piapan Kimodam CM Rong Hang Alang Li Karbinglong Kedoan MEC Constituency Along Toklang Okpran Saikam Langme Towar Hehui Kasalam Japan Pinpordam Si Article 244A ateng Hemprekta Hangpon bom ng Jipusi CM Ningji Mars Pass Jodhera P Alhi atum pen nong e kilong atuma pan nong e pajir District Administration pen Catalan Republic de Amay Pialong Chairman Horen Singh B EM MEC Principal Secretary Deputy Commissioner DIG Central Range ASP Lamet Guru Rongbong Terang Pen Chinglok Saikam Saipratum Chetongdon Rinti
NCC goes to Difu Government College. Represented by Honorable Horen Singh Bay, Chairman of Karbinglong Autonomous Council.
Normalam so por Pandina Parman Birta Wington Paniksene
और अभी एक और भूकंप 7.4 की तीव्रता का
Wait lagi. Ahiring tangrak anlo. Ong dunga tuma pran kidam ta du ta haipo.
Nonjong itong gehang bitch kimje phansi jitam bomlo. Nongi pray to duklo. nilita hemgimi kimbomlo sita lahalamen asapta nili mathate athema nili hemalon extra kipidundo athe nili hemgi kimalonge Tata Tiscon SD bar pensi kimponlo
Tata Tiscon SD Extra Safe Bar lagi texture a technical atum pensi Mesena Factory along Selampon lo. Lasi Tata Tiscon SD Bar ke kaita extra safe lo.
Have one bite of sweetness in your little and great celebration and occasion. Taste it today at Ashoka Sweets, the Soy Building, MG Road, Difu Market.
Aturkimi Academy, Rukasan, Amlapati, Difu 782460, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admission open, Montessori up to class 9. Issue of prospectus and admission form from 1st of December 2017. Facilities like Boys and Girls Hostel, audio-visual teaching aid with projector, Smart Class Next Education Inter Private Limited, arts and dance classes, etc. Montessori classes will start from 1st week of January 2018. For admission details, please contact 03671 273084 or 7896 971592 or 8724068454 or 8472091283.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamo pipothot birtalong wang thulum Nagalim framework alampen dima sawang kang suluk soda katumon hamhilang pusikat news long birta nangle Greater Nagaland along dima sawlong le parlolong le puki kam kepen Arkoi ni paing korap poarni Maibong railway station along keton kilang ariding aring hukiso alampen Arkoi ni paing korap truck arni Republic de Catalan arnita gonta prikebraner kep dima saw kangkir pado Laso kangkirang bong det pia lama kapangjar ng jalar lama ki iksi pangjar rong lupusi birta long Kat news along birta ng kalitwa tengke Maibong railway station along heliang muki ropen seka chelang ng banghini ariswa chete avilo seka chelang bom hotsi alang nituma pran dam
This is our written amar karne written hionte apology khujibo lage he jail hobo lage he immediately resign korbo lage gute peacefully jita loge DC maibang poa nai peaceful hoy asle DC sare maibang poa loge tu protest tu kiba tu protester tu violent hoy gol kyo hoy goise tar karne DC sar karne hoise khali ami itue request korbo khujisu June responsible hoy jua kalir kiba tu incident or tar karne inquiry commission itte boha itue
Republic de Catalan long pacheton pen dip Go Boys Higher Secondary School patua klamalong District Administration pen perangke angbong friendly cricket patu perangke atum ran plikebra po chepalong pen District Administration apan parem si kehai nong e chepalong Morning news of your tabang kelapan sa Kangton Poniglo, laing bom ta Card News Channel, do me tag me, kurang tu.